What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back, or welcome to another video of Shayla's World. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. What are you doing? While you hit the like button, comment some nice and conversation down below. And let's get straight into this Vlogmas video. So, I'm going to be having 15 Vlogmas ideas that you or anyone else that you know can film for YouTube. So, I have my list like always, so let's get straight into it. Number one I have on the list is my Christmas wish list. And you can do this on like before Christmas time or Vlogmas time, but it's still gonna be a Vlogmas video. Second, what I got for Christmas. So if you did a Christmas wish list, most of the time people want to know did you get everything on your Christmas wish list. Third thing is your favorite Christmas songs or like a Christmas playlist. I did this video myself. Some of these ideas that I have on here I'm going to do or have done for Vlogmas. Fourth thing, a Christmas Day vlog. Like film on the day of Christmas, like going downstairs and opening your gifts. Or whatever you want to do. Number 5, Vlogmas Video Ideas. The video that I'm doing now, you can do it for your Vlogmas channel. Number 6, a Christmas lookbook or like a Christmas ugly sweater lookbook thing, or make an ugly sweater, something like that, or Christmas, or just a regular Christmas lookbook, looking very cute, or mix up your own style or whatever you want to do. 7, hairstyles for winter. You know, I've been seeing a lot of people talk about silk presses. Yeah, you could do that, or you could do natural hairstyle, or like protective hairstyles for the winter time, something like that. Number 8, shopping vlog, like last minute shopping vlog or the day before Christmas Eve shopping vlog, whatever. And number 9, I think I want to do this, but I don't know, a speed gift shopping challenge. That just sounds cool. You should, so you could have any limit on whatever you have, but 5 minutes is what, if I was doing that, 5 minutes would be my limit. And everyone have to speed around the store trying to find gifts for the person that you have chosen, and you have to mysteriously choose them out like a box or something. Like you cannot know who you pick until you have picked them. Number 10, decorate your Christmas tree with me, or decorate my house with me, whatever you want to title it. And the same thing goes for number 11, decorate my room for Christmas. Like change your room up just a little bit. Number 12, doing a vlog or a day of my life on your winter break, or the first day of my winter break vlog. If you're still in school, I don't know if you are, but if you are. Number 13, prepare with me for Vlogmas. Like most of the time people do Vlogmas, start preparing for Vlogmas in the month of November, but you can prepare, make that video in November and post it on Vlogmas. Like I'm doing the same thing. I prepare all of my videos in most of November. At the end of the week of November, I start filming my Vlogmas videos because you don't want to get behind. Number 13, we're at 14. Number 14, how to make a Christmas intro, outro, banner, whatever, thumbnail, how to make a watermark thing that goes in like the corner of your videos. Mine is on this corner of my thing. I think it's on one of these corners. It pops up on your videos depending on where you have asked YouTube to place it on your videos. And lastly but not least, we have a behind the scenes of a Christmas photo shoot or a Christmas intro. I said a Christmas intro because some like big some people do have those like what they call like real intros, where they like show you putting their cookies in the stove or like decorating the Christmas tree in their intro. So you could do that behind the scenes of a Christmas intro, or the behind the scenes of a Christmas photo shoot if like your family does a Christmas photo shoot every year, so they can send out cards to their family members that won't be there with them. You could do that. So, yep. This is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. And stay tuned until my next Vlogmas video, which is tomorrow, because I'm going to be posting every day. Trying to anyway. Like, comment, and subscribe.